back to my channel. Danielle here, and today is part 2 of unboxing a Goodfair mystery box. If you haven't watched part 1, I'll leave it in the cards up here and link down in the description box down below. But pretty much with the first box I got, I was so freaking surprised. A lot of the pieces were pretty awesome, gave me the nostalgic feels, and then I received a like personal holy grail for myself just because I was trying to replace a sweater that my Naughtikins literally tore to shreds. If you don't know about Goodfair, they're pretty much just an online thrift store with a really awesome mission to save thousands and thousands of pieces of clothing from just sitting in landfills. So they're literally just giving new life to these already existing pieces. And I'm all about that mission, so I subscribed to their emails, and earlier this month I got this here. Retro knit sweaters. I absolutely love this drop. I've been seeing them everywhere in thrift stores and on Depop, but on Depop, those prices are freaking ridiculous. In my first video, I do take a deep dive into their website, and so we talk more about their mission. We do talk more about their prices and what they offer, but one of the things that I touched on was their pricing, because their pricing is so freaking reasonable. So this retro sweater bundle is $40, which means it's only $20 each, you guys. That's a freaking steal. But my favorite part is the element of surprise. So we have no idea what we're getting, but in my box, I do have the retro knit sweater bundle, I have tees, and then light sweaters. So there's nothing else left to do but open up this bundle. Guys, I've got the box right here, but you guys know the drill. I'm gonna cut it open, show you guys the first little peek, and then we'll start pulling some pieces. But I love this box. It's totally branded, has Goodfair all throughout in this like really cool retro font. And this box is pretty heavy because of the sweaters. So let's see, what do we've got here? We'll put that aside. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I see something in theme for Halloween, some skulls. What is this? I don't know what it is, but I'm kind of getting like Ouija board type vibes. Let's see, ooh, see some pink. Oh no, is this Christmas? You guys, I'm not a fan of Christmas. Let's see. Oh my god, we just have so much, so let's get pulling. Let me just set this down real quick. Okay guys, so the first sweater we have just has skulls all throughout. What I think is super cute is that the eyes are actually in shape of hearts. Here, let me bring you in a bit closer here. So I just think it's super cute. And it's just a classic black sweater. And you guys, Halloween is just around the corner, so this is perfect for right now. But I mean, as far as the style and cut, it's just your classic crew neck sweater with a banded neck, cuffs, and hem, and then an all-over print. Okay, love that. What is this? So we have another sweater here, crew neck sweater. Like is the new love. Okay, what? Okay, you guys, so this is what the font looks like. When we were taking the little peek, I thought because of the font, it was gonna be like more of a Ouija board, spooky season type look, but nope, it is just another classic crew neck sweater. This one might be a bit longer, to be honest. Yeah, and it's just knit constructed, again, a crew neck, front graphic, nothing on the back, but it is a bit more heathered. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Ooh, okay, this next piece is kind of giving me beach vibes. I'm from Monterey County, so anytime we go to the wharf, all of those gift shops always have something similar to this. And it looks like it's just another crew neck sweater. This one is definitely a bit more oversized. And right on the front, in this like really bright neon color, it says Seaside Beach Paradise, Oregon. Okay, yeah, honestly, this is not my style, but pieces like this just end up being like a pajama shirt or pajama dress. Oh my gosh. Okay, the next one is a Christmas themed sweater. You guys, I am definitely much more of a Halloween person and definitely consider myself a Grinch when Christmas comes around. I just don't like the Christmas decorations. I don't like the Christmas music. I don't like the Christmas like treats or food. I'm not about it. But here is that Christmas sweater. We've got ornaments and we've got stars on, again, a crew neck. This one might be like a wide scoop neck with raglan sleeves, again, knit construction that's a little bit heathered too. Oh, you guys, I do not know about this one. I feel like it could be a good base for like an ugly Christmas sweater competition. But I definitely see a theme here. This is the third gray sweater that we have now. Oh, you guys, we are moving into the tees now. I don't know what to think. I usually love color, but these are very bright, obnoxious colors. So the first one here is this little tee here. It's a bright hot pink. It is definitely a bit more oversized. So something that I noticed in my first box that I'm seeing again is that a lot of the pieces are ranging between like a size large and even an extra large, so everything's gonna have much more of a relaxed fit. But we have this one here, just a little knit constructed tee, again, classic crew neck, elbow sleeves. I have no idea how I'm gonna style this. And it just says Cedar Park Pink Out. The next one here is, again, another bright color. And what does it say? Aruba Dutch Caribbean. Okay, this is pretty cool. I like the contrast yellow front graphic. I think that's pretty cool. This one definitely is a bit more smaller than the other one. That one was like an extra large. This one is a large. So another fun color, classic crew neck, short sleeves, knit construction. And then, yeah, nothing on the back. This color combo I like a little bit better. Ooh, okay, this is a fun one. So we have another little tee here. I really like the contrast neck and cuffs. Oh yeah, I think this one's pretty cool. Let's see, what does it say? It says Northeast Division Physical Education Department with the number 32. It's my second favorite number. Absolutely love that. So definitely has more of an athletic vibe, and this is a size large. Okay, let's see, we've got a red one here that kind of gives you, again, a varsity vibe. It says Ole Miss Bonafide Tough, Built Tough, Ford. What the heck? And then the back says Ford F-150, official truck of the Rebels. What? We have this tee here that just has the front graphic, and I don't know what this is, but I'm thinking it might have been like sponsored by Ford. I have no idea. And the back is pretty empty, and it just has a little bit more text here at the top. This is, again, another oversized one. I think with these, I'm definitely gonna have to like either crop them or do a little thrift flip project to really make it fit my body and style a bit more. Okay guys, we have our last t-shirt of the box, and I don't know why they all athletic or like sport related. And this one says Friday is game day, and then has a Nike swoosh, and this is a navy color. So the text definitely has a very like rugged, stamped vibe to it. I'll bring it in a little closer so you guys can see this. But Friday is game day, and it's Nike. The back doesn't have anything on it. And then what size is this? This is another size large with a loose fit. Again, just the classic crew neck with short sleeves, knit construction. So all the styles seem to be the same. The only thing that is different is really just the graphic that we see. Finally, guys, we are moving on to the retro knit sweaters. Let's see what we've got here. I love this print. So this one is definitely a bit more muted in color, and I love it, you guys. I love this sweater. I think it's so freaking cute. What size do we have here? It's an Eddie Bauer, size large, and it's a wool blend constructed sweater, so that's pretty awesome. It is a little bit on the itchy side though. But you guys, look at this print. Ooh, I think it's so cute. Pairing this with some sort of dark slip underneath. And again, the fit is definitely a bit more oversized, which I absolutely love with these type of sweaters. I'm looking at it right now, and everything seems to be pretty good. Like, there aren't any tears, no stains. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Solid sweater, really like this. Okay, let's go. Oh, I like this one too. This one is so cute. Oh, this is a big boy. This is probably what definitely made it weigh a lot more. This sweater is by the brand Andy Mountain Outerwear, and it's 100% wool. It's also made in Ecuador. Oh, this one is super awesome, you guys. Look at this wool constructed sweater. Oh yes, I love this little color block detail we have going on here. The contrast trim. Oh, so cute. Because it's made of wool, it's very thick and very structured. I'm kind of thinking it might have more of a boxy fit when I style it with other pieces. But yes, I love how we have the little print on the bodice here and the sleeves. Love this colorway too. I think it's really fun. Also super happy with this sweater here. And you guys, that pretty much does it. We hit the bottom of the box. But you guys, that pretty much does it for the end of Unboxing a Goodfair Mystery Bundle Part 2. If you liked any of the pieces, let me know in the comments down below. But this was quite a roller coaster of feelings, but I feel like we really did end on a high note with those knit constructed sweaters. I absolutely love those. So if you guys are thinking of getting any bundle right now, highly suggest those retro knit sweaters. And when we're looking at prices, the bundle is $40 for 2 pieces, so breaking that up, $20 each. The t-shirts, I will say, are a little questionable, but you are getting 5 for only $20, and it does really come down to how you're gonna style it and tweaking it with little accessories just to make it more compatible with your own look. I feel like the sweatshirts are the best deal because you're getting 4 for $15. But you guys, I would highly suggest just visiting their website. I'll leave it linked down below, and just checking out their bundles because they have a crap ton, and seeing which one works out best for your style. If you guys want to keep up with me throughout the week, I've got an Instagram. I'm at Eggy Girl here. I also have a Depop. I'm at Twinell here. But as always, I post videos twice a week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!